the cheetah chronicles speed, survival, and spirit. Unveiling nature's speedster and its role across time.
By AI for Kids. In the heart of the African savannas, the story of the cheetah unfolds a tale of velocity and resilience. This book brings to life the incredible journey of a predator that has fascinated humanity across millennia. From myth and majesty to modern-day marvels, dive into an exploration that celebrates the spirit of survival and the enduring dance between predator and prey. As you turn each page, discover how these mesmerizing creatures have shaped, and continue to shape, our world. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Majestic speed, the cheetah's race against time.
In the open savanna, the cheetah stands poised, eyes locking onto a distant gazelle. Unbeknownst to the prey, the world's fastest land animal silently measures the distance, calculating each move. Suddenly, like a shot from a drawn bow, the cheetah sprints forward, muscles rippling under its yellowish-tan coat marked with distinct black spots. Within seconds, it accelerates to 60 miles per hour, tail balancing its aerodynamic body as it zigzags across the plains. The chase is swift, decisive, a testament to nature's engineering marvel.
The cheetah's extraordinary speed is not just about swiftness, but also precision. Every step, every flex is perfectly orchestrated, a ballet of survival played out on nature's vast stage. As the wind whips past, the cheetah senses not just the hunt, but the essence of its very being: speed, power, grace.
Homes of the swift, cheetah's habitat.
In the serene expanse of sub-Saharan Africa, the cheetah finds its domain. From open plains to grassy savannas, each habitat is a canvas of opportunity and challenge. Cheetahs choose areas where their speed becomes their shield, avoiding densely forested areas where stealth might be clumsy. Breeding under the vast African sky, these cats require territory teeming with prey like impalas and gazelles. Still, the shadows of threats loom: human advancement and habitat fragmentation challenge their ancestral lands.
The cheetah's world is vast yet delicate, a precarious dance between space needed to roam and the encroachment of civilization. This land is sacred, each breeze over the plains a whispered tale of ancestors, of survival and grace.
Beauty in motion, the cheetah's unique form.
Witness the cheetah, nature's splendid architecture of speed and agility. With a slender waist and long legs, its physique speaks volumes of evolutionary prowess. Its coat, a sunlit golden, marked with ebony spots, provides a masterful blend of camouflage amidst the grass-lined horizons. Long, graceful legs and a head held low are built for aerodynamic efficiency. Every detail, from the tear marks beneath its eyes to its flickering tail, balances the fine line between beauty and functionality.
The cheetah embodies a union of elegance and efficiency, a living testament to nature's balance. My form is my virtue, each curve and muscle a tribute to my ancient kin.
Diet of speed, the cheetah's feeding ritual.
Cheetahs thrive on a carnivorous diet that includes gazelles and impalas. With keen eyesight, they select a target from the herd, initiating a breath-holding sprint. The hunt, swift and strategic, ends in a calculated pounce. After the chase, on sun-drenched patches, a cheetah indulges in its rightful reward. This predator's ritual isn't just about consumption, it's a delicate balance where speed ensures survival and adaptability decides sustenance.
For the cheetah, each meal is a symphony of nature, a cautious prelude, a crescendo of speed, and a final flourish of victory. Each successful sprint feeds not just my body, but the endless hunger of the wild.
Day and night, the cheetah's routine.
Cheetahs lead largely diurnal lives, seizing the day when other predators are less active. In dawn's early light or the dusky hues of sunset, they embark on hunts, guided by acute senses. Social yet solitary, a cheetah's life is defined by silence and solitude, with exceptions for familial bonds like a mother's nurturing care or coalition of brothers. As the sky blankets the savanna in starlight, it's a period of rest, a pause in the endless cycle of existence.
Each day is a tapestry woven with patience and bursts of brilliance, where sun-chased shadows narrate tales of the wild. In the quiet moments, amid the rustle of grasses, life reveals its secrets.
Cherished bonds, cheetah's family life.
Mother cheetahs, the vigilant guardians, raise cubs with unwavering dedication. Usually, a litter of 3 to 5, these cubs, born with gray-blue eyes and fluff-covered backs, represent hope. A cacophony of purrs and playful mews fills the air, underlining their growth from fragile beings into confident predators. For young males, bonds forged with siblings last beyond cubhood, forming coalitions that support their transition to the solitary life of the plains.
Beneath the tender care of familial bonds, each cheetah learns the lessons of existence and empowerment. In the embrace of family, I find courage and a world waiting to unfold.
Ecosystem guardians, the role of cheetahs.
Cheetahs, as apex predators, maintain harmony within their ecosystem. By regulating prey populations, they prevent overgrazing and promote biodiversity. Their hunting leaves behind remains for scavengers, contributing to the recycle of nutrients. Yet, the vulnerability of cheetahs makes them sentinels of environmental health. Their presence or absence indicates the equilibrium of their domain, urging us to preserve their place within the circle of life.
The cheetah, quiet yet mighty, is a keystone of its environment, ensuring the savanna thrives in balanced synchrony. I am a watcher, a keeper of balance in this ever-evolving tapestry of life.
Threads of time, cheetah's story in culture.
Throughout history, cheetahs have dazzled civilizations with tales of speed and grace. In ancient cultures, they were emblems of royalty, accompanying hunts of emperors. Their sleek forms adorn the art of Mughal India and medieval Arabians, propelling them into myth and media. Today, these regal creatures face the challenges of existence, their fast decline a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between human progress and preservation, a narrative woven through time.
The story of the cheetah is etched into human consciousness, an eternal link between the past's reverence and the future's hope. Between silent splendors and stories untold, I remain timeless, cherished, free.